Hello children, how are you all? Hope all are doing good and safe at your home. Stay home, stay safe. Today we are going to see the next session of our first unit and it is singular plural. Singular plural. Now let us see what is the meaning of singular and plural. Singular, a naming word which is used for one person or thing is called singular. A naming word which is used for one person or thing is called singular. Plural, a naming word which denotes more than one person or thing is called plural. A naming word which denotes more than one person or thing is called plural. Example for singular. Bat. Bat. Example for plural. There are more than one bat. So, it should be denoted as bats. Bats. Now let us see how to change a singular form of a word into plural form of a word. In some words, we can just add s to change it into plural form. Example, cup, cup. To convert this naming word into plural, we can just add s with the naming word. For more than one cup, it is cups. Cups. Ball. Ball. To convert this singular form of naming word into plural form, we can add just s with the naming word. So it is balls. Balls. In some naming words which ends with ch, sh, s, ss and x, we can add es with the plural form. Example, torch. The naming word torch ends with the letter ch. So, for converting it into plural form, we should add es with the naming word. Torches. 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 Brush. The naming word brush ends with the letters sh. To convert this singular form of a naming word into plural form, we should add es with the naming word. And it is brushes. 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 Bus. Bus is a singular form. For converting it into plural form, we should add es with the naming word. And it is buses. 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 Glass. The naming word glass is in singular form and it ends with the letters ss. For converting this into plural form, we should add es with the naming word. Glasses. 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 Box. Box is a naming word in the singular form. To convert this into plural form, we should add es with the naming word. And it is boxes. 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 And for some words, we can simply add s if any one of A, E, I, O, U comes before Y. Example, key. And the word key ends with the letter Y and E comes before Y. So we should add S with the naming word to convert it into plural form. Toy. Toy. The word toy ends with the letter Y and O comes before Y. So we should add S with the naming word to convert it into plural form. Change the Y into IES if any one of A, E, I, O, U doesn't come before Y. Example, lady. The word lady ends with the letter Y. So we should add IES with the naming word. Ladies. Baby. The naming word baby ends with the letter Y. To convert it into plural form, we should remove Y and add IES with the naming word. Babies. 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 Now we have learned how to change the singular form of a naming word into plural form. Hope all enjoyed this session. Thank you.